Hi, I'm Charlene Laney, co-founder of Newmaker Financial and certified financial planner professional. Life insurance. It is something that we are all grateful for when someone who we know that was covered passes away. But as owners of life insurance, we constantly question whether our coverage is worth continuing to pay for while we're alive. And in this video, we'll be talking about life insurance reviews and why they're a crucial piece of financial planning. So first off, how do you know if you need to do a life insurance review? Why would you want to? Well, if certain life circumstances have changed, such as having paid off a lot of debt, maybe you moved, had a change in the value of your assets, something that constantly happens to those of us who are owners of real estate. Your health status may have changed. You may have added someone to your family, or perhaps gone through a death in the family. Maybe you got divorced as well. There are lots of things, and these big types of life changes put you in a position to really need to do a life insurance review. Now, the question that we, of course, try to answer with our life insurance reviews is how much is enough? And this is honestly quite tough to answer because frankly there can be a few right answers, and all of that is going to be contingent on you, your goals, your family, your financial circumstances. But for example, if the purpose of your insurance is to leave a legacy for your beneficiaries or your heirs, it is really hard to quantify that, or it can be hard to quantify that, especially if you actually love them. But one way to quantify your life insurance needs is what we call human life value in the planning world, which is the projected amount of what you would have brought to your family for your remaining years of work or any remaining years of income you would have received. Now, the other philosophy in determining how much your life insurance coverage should be is really at a bare minimum, are you covering at least the repayment of your debt obligations and projected funeral expenses as well? Or if you pass while your children are young, assuming you have kids, are you covering all of the above as well as the cost of raising your children until they're at an age of independence? And these are the things that we look at, all questions that we aid you in assessing in our comprehensive insurance reviews at Newmaker. And because we act as fiduciaries in our advisory relationships, we will gladly share with you if you are able to reduce your monthly spending by dropping a policy. On the flip side of the coin, we will also very frankly and honestly tell you if we think you need more. And by taking a holistic approach in our insurance reviews, we make sure that we account for not only your legacy wishes and what you want to leave to your children, your family, relatives, charities, but also long-term goals for you and the needs of those people that you care about, as well as your current financial circumstances. Now, I hope that this has been helpful. I'm happy to help with any insurance reviews that you may need to do, but just know that this is something that is a part of a healthy financial planning regimen. Certainly not something that needs to be done every single year, but on a regular basis, you'll want to consider it. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for us. We will see you all next week.